had the launch of our CCA Vision Mission. Our vision is 10 times 5K times 29. And our mission is to fulfill culinary dreams with a Filipino heart. We also launched today our CCA core values, and the acronym for that is CARES. C for customer obsession, A for agility, R for respect, E for entrepreneurship, and S for stewardship.
The new vision and mission is very inspiring. Looking forward for that 5 years na as an employee, mako-contribute namin.
Sa mission, yung fulfilling a dream with Filipino heart, yung mga aspect, yung mga asset ng Pilipino, mas ma-apply siya as a culinarian.
Actually, bago natin mission is, alam na namin dati yan, pero mas magandang, mas na maliwanag ngayon ng pagkaka-deliver sa atin ng bagong about sa CARES, lalo na naging mas maliwanag. Kaya para sa akin, napakalaking input ng ginawa nating pagsasama-sama ngayong araw na to dito. Maraming salamat.
So we invite you all to join us in this new vision, mission, and core values of CCA Manila.